Hello, this is Robert from Beyond 20. Today we're going to take a look at formatting emails that have link expressions that are being sent out from Cherwell. So to go ahead and dive into this, we're just going to create a OneStep that pops up an email on our screen so we can take a look at what the email is going to look like when it gets sent out. So I'm going to go ahead and make a new OneStep here. And then on the left-hand side, we want to go send an email. So we have a few options on formatting just text within emails in Cherwell. However, with the expressions and specifically link expressions, you're not going to be able to change the color of the link itself. It's going to take the default color that your email client assigns it. But I'll go ahead and show a few examples of that here in a second. Let's just type out a quick email. We're going to need to have a sender on there and a recipient. The default user account. You want to make sure you have a default user account selected and also a address here in the to field. We also want to make sure that the email format is rich text. That's going to be a key factor here versus being a plain text email. And then to pop up the email on our screen when we run the OneStep, we want to click on the two gears here, let user edit before sending. So to actually edit the contents of the email message body, we want to click on the zoom button. Make sure you've selected the body box here, and then the zoom button will become highlighted so we can make it clickable. And let's take a look at some different formatting options. So here we have standard text. We can do anything we want here, such as changing the font size. We can make it bold, and we can also change the color if we go to font and then text color. Go ahead and make that red. Now let's take a look at a link expression. So I just right-clicked in the body and then scroll down to a new custom expression. We'll select the editor type as text. And then we'll insert this link expression here. We want to make sure that it's formatted as you see on the screen. So you'll see it gets pasted in here. It looks like there's no formatting at all around that. So that's okay, but we can change a few options here. So we can go ahead and set the font type as well as the size. So I can make that 28. And then I can also make it bold. And that's going to be about it as far as the formatting goes. So the options, we're not actually able to change the color of it. However, we should be able to change just about any other aspects on the link expression. Let's go ahead and click OK, and then click OK again so we can save the OneStep. And then now we'll go ahead and run the OneStep. And since we checked the box to let user edit before sending, we should be able to see what the email is going to look like. So as you see here, it's displayed in the color choice of the default color, the blue. But we can also see we were able to format that with a greater font size. It's going to be automatically underlined. But we also added the bold attribute here, which we can see. And that's about it as far as the link formatting. So really the only option we're not allowed to touch on the link expressions format is going to be just the color. And so keep in mind, it's just going to show the default color of the email client. Or in this case, since we don't have one on this machine, it just defaults to the blue color that we see up here. So that's it on formatting links. Thanks for watching. Once again, this was Robert from Beyond 20. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for other Cherwell tips and tricks. Thank you.